Hello from Korea.
For the next 7 days, we'll be exploring Seoul and Incheon, drinking Jeju matcha, going to some castles, the beach, getting lost in libraries, malls, local markets, and eating street food. We even witnessed a protest. This is Country 35. We are the Blasian Travelers, and we are 3 weeks into our 3-month journey around Asia.
So it is day 3 right now of 6. We've been in Korea for 3 days. Amazing stuff so far. We're excited to explore Seoul today. A little bit more about that later, but let's talk about what we did the first 2 days. So we actually stayed right next to the airport and we explored that side of the island over there on the eastern side. We stayed at the Nest Hotel, beautiful hotel. Gave me free ramen, but got the SIM card and the T-Money card, so we can use this for the transit, buy food at Starbucks. Got it? Get your guide. Help me save 30% off the price. But you can technically rent a portable Wi-Fi for $4,400 a day, which was slightly cheaper if you don't have a 30% off code, but you have to return it at the airport. So if you're one to come to the airport last at weird times, it might not be the best.
Oh, look at the cute little baby. But yeah, because they followed the Korea standards with disposable plastic, so it was like $5 to get a toothbrush here. Now this is how you know we're at a fancy hotel. They have this crazy toilet that makes me feel like I'm at a Japanese mall again. Has all the settings. Honestly, at this point, I don't know what I'm pointing at because I haven't pulled up my translating app to translate all of this. But once you are lighter and you drop the load, you have a chance to go to the gym. I did use the gym one time, which is why we also booked this, because if you've seen our other videos from this trip during Thailand and Sri Lanka, I said we needed a gym during this trip. They also had a spa, which I made use of. Full steam room, full sauna. They even had an open air sauna outside, which is this right here. It's pretty convenient. This was $9.
Yeah,
I'm gonna say that again.
Lot. This is only $9. That's like a serving for 3 people. It's huge. So much chicken.
This is the tough part about traveling and not reading. So just left that coffee shop and I got me a purple sweet potato latte because they normally have taro lattes and ube lattes. So I was like, purple sweet potato. This should be the Japanese purple sweet potato. She made it. There's no coffee in it, even though it was under the coffee section. So if I was able to read Korean, I would have noticed that it's just the purple sweet potato.
And so the next day, I definitely had to redeem myself. So we finally found a cafe with a great view. Honestly, it was cheap. The coffee was good. It was a great way to spend our morning, our first and last morning here in Incheon, just looking at the fishing boats in the morning. But now we're on the way to Seoul.
So as we were walking back to our hotel, right by the coffee shop that we were at, I noticed or read the thing and it was like, no drone zone. I was like, cool. And then looked at it and it said 9.3 kilometers around the airport, which is basically the whole western side of the island. And that means I wasn't supposed to fly my drone at the hotel, over here by this thing right here, or at the cafe. But I got some pretty good shots. Check them out. It was worth it. It didn't get fined, didn't go to jail. Let's go. Look how big this room is.
Pretty much 2.
You moved your arm, almost 2. The crazy thing about this is like the typical room size at like a non-Western franchise hotel here is this size. So we got the double trundle bed, right? The crazy thing is there's a free washer here.
And dryer.
Free coffee, free cookies. You don't have to pay for a toothbrush here. The last hotel, the next one, the design hotel, the fancy one, you have to pay $500 or $100 for a toothbrush. We got a mini fridge. That don't have a mini fridge.
It did.
All amenities. You can restock on towels every day. Toilet paper. Has free breakfast, cookies, coffee all day. The same coffee machine you will find at the airport lounge, and free water. The other place didn't have free. It had free water. Just 3 bottles per day, I guess, before room service. But we have unlimited water. She is asleep. We're checked in and we're gonna explore Seoul.
So if you want a 6-day Seoul recap in similar fashion, make sure you click the video right here and let us know in the comments if you like this type of style. See y'all on the next one.